As a service technician, I diagnose and repair HVAC units, duct work, things of that nature. If they're broken, I fix them.
You definitely need to have communication skills, and you need to be able to diagnose issues. Diagnose the problem, find out what's going on with it, and be able to fix that. Multiple things it could be: clogged drain lines, weak capacitors, fan motors overamping. That can cause issues to where your HVAC's not going to operate properly.
If we ever have issues resolving a problem with the unit, I usually get to see it and work on it. I get to work on the cool stuff. I get to work on the stuff that no one else gets to work on. All the stuff that's at the leading edge of heating and air, I usually get to work on it, so it's pretty nice.
As far as the tools that are needed to do my job, a lot of it is, I guess, you would say the latest in HVAC needs as far as tools go.
All of our meters and stuff like that, they're all wireless, and they still have older stuff, but at the cutting edge, that's where everything's going. So technology definitely helps, but mostly to be mechanically minded, I would say. To understand, to be able to look at something and have the mindset of, I'm going to sit down and I'm going to figure this out.
This company has a multitude of talent here. If it's HVAC related, we can fix it or replace it.
It feels pretty, I guess, supportive, you could say, as far as what I'm trying to do in my career. I would say is pretty much a good learning environment.
We have, in my opinion, the best technicians in the industry. They're well trained. Carolina Comfort Air sends us to classes all the time. Any training that we need, we employ the best of the best. We look for people that are wanting careers. We want someone that wants a career in heating and air, not just a job.